Hi guys, my name is Roa Velázquez Carlos Martin, and this is my video for perforación en aguas profundas para el profesor Vadillo Echegaray Adrián, grupo 5PM18. Este es el video en inglés. Damos comienzo con la exposición. Chapter 1: Deepwater Drilling Technology and Graph of Innovation. Deepwater drilling represents one of the biggest challenges in the oil industry. The abysmal depths, extreme conditions, and geologic expertise require the development of high speed and robust technologies. What is deepwater drilling? Deepwater drilling refers to the activity of drilling wells into the subsea and great depths, usually beyond 2,000 meters, and thus is essential for the exploration and extraction of hydrocarbons in underwater deposits. Muy bien. Challenge of deepwater drilling: pressures and temperatures. As deep increase the pressures and temperatures of the well fluids increases, significantly require equipment and materials capable of withstanding these extreme conditions. Ocean currents. Ocean currents can generate considerable force of drilling structure requiring highlight culture dynamic position systems. Complex geology. Subsea fluids of their future complex geological formations, such as faults, fractures on high pressure zones, which make drilling difficult and increase the risk of incidents. Logistic and cost. Deepwater operations require complex and costly logistics due to the need to move large amounts of equipment of pernottable to remote locations. Key technologies of deepwater drilling: floating platforms. Various floating platforms and uses such as semi-submarines and drilling ships designed to operate in deep water and maintain stable positions. Dynamic position systems. These systems allow to the platforms to maintain a fixed position over the well, despite currents and waves. Casing pipes. High strain casing pipes are used to stabilize the wellbore and prevent the entry of underwater fluids. For example, fluids on the ocean. Drilling fluids. Special drilling fluids and user designed to control wellbore pressure and lubricate the drilling pit and transport cuttings. Lighting systems. Subsea lighting systems are used to extract hydrocarbons from the well and avoiding the surface. Oh my god. Excuse me. Continue. Deepwater robotics remodeled operate vehicles ROVs. For example, this is vehicle and autonomous underwater vehicles are used to perform inspection, repairs, and maintain tasks on the seabed. For the video is the clear example. And benefits on the deepwater drilling: new energy sources, deep water, hydrocarbons exploration, and products provide access to new oil and natural gas reservoir, contribute to energy security. Economy, economic development. The deepwater drilling industry generates employment and economic development in coastal regions. Technological innovations. The search for solution to the challenge of the deepwater drilling is driving technological innovation in a variety of fields, including engineering, robots, and oceanography. Future challenge: environment sustainability, and the deepwater drilling industry must address environment challenges associated with offshore operations, such as oil spills and marine pollutions. Cost: high investment on open comes limit access on the activity, especially for small business. Regulations: the increasing complexity and deepwater operation requires of implementation of strict regulation to ensure safety and environment protection. In conclusion, for the chapter 1, deepwater drilling is activity of the great importance of the energy industry, but it poses significant technical and environment challenge. The development of new technologies and the adoption of the sustainable practice are essential to assure the future on this industry. Continue for the chapter 2, subsea well control system, the key of the safe deepwater operations. Subsea well control systems are critical elements in deepwater drilling and production operation. These systems are designed to prevent the control potential risks associated with drilling, such as belongs, and ensure the safety and people on the environment. What is the subsea well control system? A subsea well control system is a set of equipment of tools installed on the subject near to the welded that allow the weld of the shut down quickly to safety in the event of an emergency. The main component of the system is the subsea belong environment BOP. Um, Main components of the subsea well control systems. Subsea blown prefers BOP. In the central place of the system is a composite in several shapes, while the very close the insulate the wheel at different points. Submarine manifold connects the BOP, the production pins, and the injection lines. Remote control allows to the bow on the approach from the surface using hydraulic or electronic signals. Instrumentations uh, probes information of pressure, temperature, and flow in the wheel, which has essential monitoring condition and making decisions. Main function of the subsea wheel control systems: preventing blowouts, be closing the valves, the well can insulate and hydrovac lake prevents. Pressure control. It allows the pressure inside in the controller above the formation gas. It dies on the other problems. Security. Ensures of the safe on the environment be minimize the risk on accidents. Challenge in the design and operation in the subsea well control systems. Extreme conditions. That's it. Uh, Subsea well control system must operate on the very harsh environment conditions with high pressures, temperatures, and sea currents. Limited accessibility. The repair and maintenance in these systems is complex and expressing due to the depth at which they are located. Relativity. The relativity and the system is crucial. In a failure can have serious consequences. Emergency technologies. Hybrid bulbs. They combine the advantages of the mechanical bulbs and electrical bulbs of their great efficiency and safety. Autonomous control systems. They use intelligence artificial to the monitor well condition and make decision autonomous. Advanced materials. New materials that are more resistant to the corrosion and high temperatures of the belongings. Importance of the subsea and the control systems. We subsea control systems are essential to the safety and efficiency of deepwater operations. Be preventing blows and controlling wellbore pressures. Their system help project to environment and ensure continued productions. Um, Chapter number 3. Uh, Drilling competition on well worker risers, a bridge between the surface and the subject. All right. One moment, please. Yeah. Um, that's it. Riser and essential components in subsea drilling, completion and well worker operation. They act on the vital conduits, connect to floating platform and fixing installations to the subs, allowing to circulation of drilling fluids, production fluids, and other materials. What is a rise? That is a rise. A rise is a long, strong pipe that extends from the platform of the subdepth passing down on the water column. These are designed on the withstand high pressure, extreme temperatures, and the environment first present of the offshore operations. Types of risers. Mm, there are different types of risers, have specific characters and applications. Characteristics and application. Rig, rigid risers. Constructed from the large diameter of dull pipes, they are mainly used in drilling operation. They are strong and capable of support high loads, but they're flexible and limited. For example, this is video is a rigid riser. Flexi riser composed to multiple layers of materials. They are great flexibility and movement capacity compared to the right risers. They are used to a variety of operations, including completion, production, and repairs on horizons operations. Umbilicals. They are sensor tubes on the cables on the carry fluids, electricity, and control signals. They are used to the conjunction with flexible riser to connect subsea equipment to the platform. Riser functions. Free transport. They allow the circulation of drilling fluids, production fluids, and other materials between the surface and the subsea. Electrical connections. They transfer electrical energy to an nearwater equipment. Data, data transmissions. They facilitate communications between the surface and the subdepth. Mechanical support. They provide structural support and underwater equipment. Challenge in the design and operation of risers. Fatigue. Risers are subject to cyclic loads that can cause material fatigue, require regular inspection and maintenance. Corrosion. Exposure to salt water and drilling fluids on the cause corrosion, reducing the life of the riser. And movements. Platform movements and the currents can generate significant force on risers, require robust design and appropriate tension systems. Importance of risers of offshore operations. Risers play a critical role in offshore operation in ensuring to the safe and efficacy of drilling, completion, and production activities. Proper design and maintenance as essential prevent loss, minimize the risk and accidents, and protect the environment. Emerging technology. Compute risers. The use of composite materials on the construction of the risers can improve their corrosion resistance and reduce their weight. Real-time monitoring systems. The implementation of sensor or monitoring systems allow early detections of any anomaly in the risers and the necessary corrective measures on the take. Computer hidden dashing. Computer hidden dashing tools enable riser design optimization and reduce manufacturing cost. Um, that's it. The number the number four is completion on repair technology for deep water covers. Deep water completion and wall worker are highly specialized operations that require advanced technology and robust equipment. These activities are occurring once the well and drilling to retain some ignited hydrocarbons and being recharged. What is the well completion and wall worker? Completion involves equipping to the wheel to components necessary to broach hydrocarbons safely and efficiently. These include the installation and production tubing valves, production pikes, and other subsea equipment. Wood worker refers to the impairments carried on the exist on the restores on the environment is production or the same technical problems. This operation was include pipe cleaning, valve repair, reboring stimulation of the installation new equipment. Challenge on deep water complications and repair. Extreme conditions, grab deeds, high pressures on the loose temperatures impose major challenges on the equipment or materials used. Limited accessibility, access to substance limited and experience require the use of special equipment for remote invention techniques and complexity and operation. Complementation to work working operation are complex and require careful planning and ensure safer and efficiently. Key technologies of deepwater completion and repair. Remote operated vehicles rope. Uh, yeah. Are used to perform visual inspection, más repairs in the steel. Vamos a poner un ejemplo para que sea más claro. Um, okay. Subsea server systems. Oh my god, sorry. Yeah. Oh my god. Their system allow heavy equipment to delight and lower into the well. Flexible production pipes, flexible pipes on the easy to install and handle subsea condition their rigs pipes. Subsea production packages. These packages contain the valves and other equipment necessary to control the flow of hydrocarbons. Underwater intervention systems. Their system are very complex, while interventions such as lateral drilling and hydraulic fractures. Benefits of advanced technologies. Increased security. Advanced technologies allow operation to the current what more safely, reducing the risk and accidents. Greater efficiency. New technologies increase the efficiency of operation, which translate into lower cost. Uh, greater, greater reach. Advanced technologies allow to operation in development waters and under more difficult conditions. Future challenge. Environment sustainability. The industry must continue to develop more sustainable technologies to minimize to environment impact to deep water operations. High costs associated with a deep water operation remain to the change. Regulation. The increasing complexity of the operation requires strict regulations to the ensure efficiently to environment protections. In conclusion, for the chapter number 4, this were completion and work worker to the key activities of the oil industry. the development of the new technologies and the improvement of existing techniques of the essential to ensure the safety, efficiency, and sustainability of the dish operations. And continue for the chapter number 5. Pipe hanger system support and serving in industrial applications. Pipe hanger systems are essential components in industrial installation that envelopments to transport fluids on gas through pipes. These systems are responsible for supporting the weight of the pipes in insertion the alignment and prevent possible damage caused by vibration or movements. What is a pipe hanger system? A pipe hanger system is a series of mechanical devices of the attached on the structure, such as beams, columns, or walls. Uh, and all the pipes and substitute distance from the group of the other elements. This hanger can be a different types of the materials depending on the applications on the environment conditions. Alright, no, esto no. One moment, please. Yeah. Uh-huh. Stop. Yeah. Muy bien. Function of spines hanger systems. Menu support on the weight on the pies on the fittings. Alignments keep pies on the correct position on the bloom endress and the formations. Insulations. In some cases, hanger provides thermal and acoustic insulations. Flexibility. Allow for some flexibility on the piping system and accumulate thermal expansion and structural movement. Security. Prevent pipes from falling begin damage, which could lead on the task on the accidents. Types on the pipe hangers. There are numerous types of the pipe hangers, has specific characters and applications. Right hangers. They often flexion on the security support ideals on the pipes with heavy loads and little vibrations. Flexible hangers. They allow to movement to the pipe which are useful to compressive thermal expansion and structural movements. Vibrating hangers. The symptom they absorb vibration and resonance noise. Expansion hangers. They allow to the pipe to expand to the control with generate extension of the system. Variable support hangers. Adjustable and different piping dimensions on the loads. Materials used on the pipes hangers. Steel. Oh my god. One moment, please. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Steel, the most common material used is on durability. Stainless steel. Corrosion resistant, ideal to humid or corrosive environments. Plastic. Lightweighter and corrosion resistant used to less demanding applications. Consideration when I select a pipe hanger systems. Further, the weight on the pipe on the free the carriers, pipe material, compatibility with the pipe material, environment condition, temperature, humidity, corrosion, vibrations. Insulation requirements need a thermal and acoustic insulations. Flexibility, they need to allow to movement to the pipe. Norms on the standards. The selection and installation of pipe hanger system must comply to applicable regulation and standards such as ASME B31, B31, and B31.3, etc. to ensure to safely and proper operation of the system. And continue for the number 6. One moment, please. Okay. Conclusions and recommendation of deepwater drilling completion and well worker technologies. From the information provided to the drilling completion, well worker and hangar systems is deepwater in the drawn of the following conclusion and recommendations. Conclusions. Complexity and technology demands deepwater operations require high, sophisticated and robust technologies to meet challenge on the grid tips, high pressure and extreme environment conditions. Safety and environment. The safety of the people of the protection on the environment are key promotes to this operation. The technologies and systems used must meet high safety standards. Constant innovations. Indeed, water drilling and production industry is characterized in constant technology innovation, so to improve efficiency, reduce cost, and increase safety. Interdependence of systems. The different systems use this operation. Platform, riser, bobs, control system are closely interrelated, and these people functionally depth on the interrelation is the components. Recommendations. Investigation of research and development is essential to continue investigating in research in development and new technologies to improve the efficiency and safety of deepwater operations. Standards and regulations. It is necessary to maintain of the deepwater international stance of the regulation to ensure safety and environment protection in these operations. Staff drilling. Continuous training of personnel is essential of the maintenance to advanced technologies used deep waters. Collaboration between business and academia. Collaboration between companies and academic institutions can be essential to implement new technologies and innovative solutions. Monitoring and maintenance. It's essential to establish rigorous monitoring and maintenance system to ensure equipment integrity of prevent failures. Environment sustainability. Companies must adopt sustainability practice to minimize the environment impact of the ED's operations. A specific recommendation of the each topic. All right. Um, the specific recommendation. This. All right. Yeah. Drilling. Use biodegradable drilling fluids, optimize drilling with designs, and improve well control system to reduce the risks and blows. Completion and repair. Develop new tools and architect technicals for underwater intervention to carry water more efficient to safe operations. The risers. Investigate new materials and design to improve fatigue and corrosion resistance of risers. Hanging systems. Select to approve hangers to the edge applications, considering loads, vibration, and environment conditions. And in conclusion, in summary, the deepwater drilling production industry is constant development, driven by the net access new hydrocarbon reserve and big global energy global. These adopt to advanced technologies and the implement the sustainable practice are essential to ensure to the future on this industry. This is my video, and this is a similar for a news for America. And thank you very much, and thank you, teacher.